how to buy Neutants token. So this token came under the symbol of NTNT. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 16 hours ago and increased by 11,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet for that, as you can see. Now, after that, what you need to do, just go and from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. Now, after that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. After that, what you need to do, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and make sure to search for your token that you just added called NTNT. Now, after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it and now click here on swap, switch from here, and from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy like that, and this is how much you will be able to receive the token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy NTNT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.